This is BiggerPockets Daily, the audioized version of the world's #1 real estate investing blog. Hope you're having a relaxed Sunday. I'm your host, Tyler, and I read these articles so you can keep learning while you go about your busy life. Oh, and you'll find endless content on BiggerPockets.com. Create an account today. It's free. Where investors are buying down south in 2020 and why it's a solid bet. By Kathy Fettke. It's no coincidence that so many real estate investors have chosen to buy in the Dallas metropolitan area. Its population is exploding, the job market is continuing to grow, and the cost of living and housing is relatively affordable. Located in northern Texas, Dallas is part of the fourth largest metropolitan area by GDP in the United States. The metro includes Dallas, Fort Worth, and Arlington, Texas. The city of Dallas is the top destination in the state for visitors and leisure. Dallas boasts the biggest arts district in the entire country, with 19 blocks of museums, theaters, galleries, and music venues. The summers are hot and humid, but the winters are mild with spurts of colder temperatures. The NBA's Dallas Mavericks, MLB's Texas Rangers, and NFL's Dallas Cowboys all reside in the Dallas area and bring a passionate fan base. It's about a 3-hour drive to Austin and Oklahoma City and a 3.5-hour drive to Houston. Southern Methodist University is located in a suburb of Dallas, and the University of Dallas is located in Irving, about a 20-minute drive to the downtown. These universities and others nearby attract a large student population. The Dallas metro is third in the state in terms of population, behind the Houston and San Antonio metro areas. Home to approximately 7.6 million residents, more people are moving to Dallas than any other metro in the country. The job industry is diverse and the economy remains strong, even amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. While the price of homes in Dallas has gone up quite a bit over the last several years, there are still very affordable areas. How Dallas has been impacted by COVID-19. The resurgence of coronavirus cases in Texas has slowed down economic recovery all over the country, and Dallas is no exception. Texas continues to have a high unemployment rate of 8.3%, while Dallas's unemployment rate is 7.5%. That said, the job market in Dallas has experienced the second slowest rate of job loss compared to the 12 largest metropolitan areas in the country. The number of jobs in the Dallas metro is just 3.5% less than jobs a year ago. 8 of the 11 major industries in the state of Texas added jobs last month. The leisure and hospitality industry saw the biggest job growth, followed by the government sector and professional and business services, respectively. Home values in Texas have continued their upward trend, regardless of the pandemic. It's difficult to say how the next few months are going to play out. Having said that, strong housing markets are still out there. You just have to find places with indicators of a solid real estate market. Top 3 reasons to invest in DFW. Here are the reasons people are looking to invest down south in areas like Dallas, Fort Worth, and Arlington. Reason number 1. People are moving to Dallas more than any metro in the U.S. The Dallas-Fort Worth area leads the nation in metros with the largest number of new residents. Over the last 10 years, DFW's population grew by more than 1.3 million. In the next decade, the population of the Dallas metro area is expected to go up by another 1.4 million. 1/3 of Texas's population growth has come from people moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. A population that's growing so quickly indicates that the Dallas area could be a great place for cash-flowing rental property. Reason number 2. Dallas has jobs and above-average incomes. The Dallas-Fort Worth area offers lots of job opportunities in different sectors. The top employers include American Airlines, AT&T, Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, Kroger, Baylor, Scott and White Health, HRC North Texas, Dallas Children's Hospital, U.S. Postal Service, and FedEx. There is a wide variety of jobs in multiple industries in the Dallas metropolitan area, which means the area is not dependent on any one business. Plus, the median household income is just over $72,000, which is 10% higher than both Texas's and the U.S.'s averages. The job market in Dallas offers above-average incomes, which should continue to attract people. and people will always need a place to live. It's that simple. Reason number 3. Living in Dallas is affordable and rental demand is high. In the Dallas metropolitan area, the average home price is $270,907, according to Zillow. Since last year, home values in Dallas have increased by 4.5% and are expected to go up by 4.8% over the next 12 months. Average rents for a 3-bedroom single-family home in the Dallas area are around $1,600. More than half of the people living in Dallas County are renters. In the last decade, the number of renters has gone up exponentially. There's also a huge and growing number of high-income renters in the Dallas area. Lower-income tenants are going up as well, just not as quickly as high-income renters. Dallas's rental population and demand have shown major growth over the last several years, and the trend is expected to continue. This presents an opportunity for real estate investors to earn passive rental income and cash flow. A sample property in Dallas. Here is an example of a rental property located in a good market in Dallas. Keep in mind, these numbers are estimates. New construction, single-family rental. The property, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,299 square feet. Purchase price, $165,000. Down payment, if financing, $33,000. Initial cash invested, including closing costs, $36,300. All cash purchase, initial cash invested, including closing costs, $166,650. Monthly rental income, $1,350. Monthly cash flow, $205 with loan, $1,350 cash purchase. Annual cash flow, $2,460 with loan, $10,020 cash purchase. Best Dallas neighborhoods to invest in. Dallas can be a tough market for cash flow. When I started investing in Dallas back in 2005, I bought in Rowlett Rockwall. Back then, homes only cost around $150,000. Now, these same homes are selling for $250,000 or more. With so much population growth in recent years, home prices have increased significantly, making it a lot harder to find cash-flowing rental properties. The following suburbs are highly desirable places to live because they offer some of the best schools and lots of job opportunities. However, these suburbs are no longer a great option for cash flow investors. The hottest suburbs in the Dallas metropolitan area to live: Frisco, Allen, Plano, Garland, Sasky, Rockwall, Rowlett. The property teams we work with in Dallas focus on the suburbs that are 45 to 60 minutes outside of Dallas. These areas are in the path of progress, so new homes can be built much more affordably and offer investors good cash flow. These are working-class neighborhoods and infill lots. The schools aren't quite as good, and crime rates might be slightly higher, still below the national average. But these homes attract young professionals and families. And since the majority of young professionals and families just starting out tend to be renters, demand in these areas is good for affordable single-family homes. Take the following markets, for example. The most affordable suburbs near Dallas: Sherman, Denison, Greenville. Final thoughts. The Dallas Metro has all the indicators of a strong real estate market: a fast-growing population, job growth, and affordability. Investors will likely find the best cash-flowing properties in neighborhoods just outside of the city, particularly places that are experiencing a rise in population. When housing demand goes up, so do home values. To learn more about what's going on in other markets around the country, check out BP Insights for lots of helpful information. Hopefully you got something out of today's show. Before I leave you, here's a quick tip. Finding an investor-friendly real estate agent can accelerate your path to purchasing your first or next investment property. How do you do that? By visiting BiggerPockets.com/find-an-agent. That's BiggerPockets.com/find-an-agent to find a top-rated agent in your backyard. Have a great day, and hope to see you right back here tomorrow.